Namaste and hello. Welcome to Chitwan National Park. I am Basanta Shrestha. I am a Nepali tourist guide by profession here in Nepal. Today I have with a nature guide because we are by the banks of the Rapti river. Let me welcome him first of all. Hello, thank you very much for speaking to Tourist Guide for Tourist with Basanta Shrestha and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you very much. I am Ram. I am working as a nature guide in Chitwan National Park since 1992.
Tell me about your experiences as a nature guide here at Chitwan National Park.
Well, the Chitwan National Park is a paradise for the birdwatcher especially, and so many wildlife in Chitwan National Park. So the Chitwan National Park is famous for greater one-horned rhinos, Royal Bengal tiger, and several other animals.
I want to ask you one last question. Tell me about the future of nature guides here at Chitwan National Park as well.
Well, the nature guide of the Chitwan National Park is quite difficult to work. A lot of wildlife, a lot of dangerous animals inside the Chitwan National Park, especially the Royal Bengal tiger, sloth bear, and most of the animals, like when they have a baby, they are very aggressive to work to the nature guide in Chitwan National Park.
Thank you very much for your valuable time, and I really appreciate your thoughts.
Thank you very much.